Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 auto login not working after an update. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. In the Run box, type netplwiz and press Enter. A window will open. Here, you should see an option that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck this box. If you do not see this option, open the Start menu and search for Sign-in options. Open it. Then look for a setting that says only allow Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts. Turn this setting off. I don't have the option listed here because I'm using a local account, and this setting is specifically designed for Microsoft accounts. Now go back and open netplwiz again, and the checkbox should appear. Once you uncheck the box, click Apply. You will be asked to enter your password. Type it and click OK. Restart your computer to see if auto login works. If it still does not work, press the Windows key, type regedit, and open the registry editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, then Current Version, then Passwordless, and finally Device. On the right side, find Device Passwordless Build Version. Double-click it and change the value from 2 to 0. Click OK and close the editor. Now repeat the netplwiz steps again and restart your computer. Finally, go to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Scroll down and turn on the option that lets Windows use your sign-in info to finish setting up after updates. This helps keep auto login working after future updates. Thanks for watching.